बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों सलाम अलैकुम। मैं हूं साजिद रिजवी। बहुत दिनों के बाद आप तमाम लोगों के सामने हाजिर हुआ हूं और मेरे साथ इस वक्त है, इंडिया से ही ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, समीन नाम है इनका, जो इटली में है, लेकिन मेरी मुलाकात यहाँ पर स्कॉटलैंड में हुई है, यूके में, और ये वहाँ पर कर रहे हैं पीएचडी। लेकिन ये एक जब पीएचडी के लिए कोई प्लान कर रहा होता है तो उसके साथ अगर आप वो देखना चाहे, पूरी दुनिया पे नज़र डालना चाहे, तो उसके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन निकल कर आते हैं। तो वो किस तरह से पीएचडी करना है, अगर वो आगे बढ़ना है उसे, तो कैसे प्लान करे, हमें समीन बताएंगे। समीन, किस एज में आपने ये प्लानिंग करना शुरू किया कि आपको इटली पढ़ाई करने के लिए जाना है?
सलामुन अलैकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
जी, मैंने बैचलर्स तो इंडिया से ही किया था, बीटेक। फिर मैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था बाहर यूरोप में एजुकेशन हासिल करने की। तो मैंने सर्च किया तो मैंने पाया कि इटली एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज इन यूरोप इज़ मच बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एजुकेशन एज इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइनेंसेस एज वेल. So even in masters, if we first talk about masters instead of PhD, masters is also almost free. So
almost free.
Almost free.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
that's great.
Almost
Okay.
free. So if you are able to secure an admission, which is very easy, you just have to upload your supporting documents, your results. Sometimes good universities ask for an English proficiency test, but that's not a problem. But if you're able to secure an admission, and you should show that you are coming from an economically lower background, some certificate from India, and they give you full scholarship for that.
Full scholarship.
And right now they have increased the amount to around 7,000 euros per year.
7,000 euros.
7,000 euros per year for master's students in Italy, and you don't have to pay any tuition fees.
Any tuition
and
fees.
If you have,
so
if you have a scholarship, you don't have to pay any tuition fees. And plus 7,000 a year is doable in Italy. You would not need money. Plus there are opportunities to work part-time doing some of the
so
works.
while you're studying you can work as well, right?
Yeah, there is a limit to number of work hours, but
like in UK, if a student is studying in any course, that he has a right to work like 20 hours minimum a week.
Same there in Italy also.
Okay.
And there are some merit work based in the university itself. If you are securing good grades, you are allowed to teach part-time or help in library and all those things.
So you directly applied for the PhD, or you have done your master from Italy as well?
I first did my masters from Politecnico di Torino in Italy, in Turin. Politecnico di Torino. It's translated as Polytechnic University of Turin.
Okay.
And I did my masters in mechanical engineering from there.
That's good. Okay.
And then I applied. I was also I wanted to go always in academia, so I was searching for PhD, and then I secured admission in University of Bolzano. So basically, in Italy, if you are coming in PhD, it is usually fully paid, and you don't have to pay anything. You earn a full scholarship. And it is around
like आप जब पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे भी कुछ मिलता है? The only scholarship is like
scholarship is like
because
a
the PhD you are doing like 3 to 4 year almost, like
no actually in Italy the standard duration of PhD is 3 years.
3 years only.
3 years.
Okay.
So in 3 years they will give you a scholarship only for 3 years as a contract. If you want to extend your PhD, then you won't have your scholarship over there. But the scholarship is like a handsome salary over here. They are paying you around 20,000 euros per year, so it comes
enough.
It's a good amount, and you don't have to pay any university fees, anything else. Everything's free.
You just need to study and get the payment as well.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And if you are living in a cheaper city in central or south Italy,
so which is the cheaper city is for you?
It depends. If you go towards southern Italy and south Italy, it is very cheap. If you go towards, which is my city, it is Bolzano. It is situated near Austria's border. So it is a bit expensive over there. So the rent is expensive.
Okay.
But other things are equal.
What about the weather? When the people,
weather is very nice. If you're living in South Italy, it's just like Mediterranean climate. You don't have too much of cold over there.
Okay.
But if you live in the highlands of North Italy, it gets cold. But it doesn't rain too much.
And what about the food and culture, everything?
You get everything. Italian food is lovely.
See, when the India is Indian people are migrating, especially they think about the foods and they think about the feast. And the third is about the family and the culture.
I would say you forgot about the feast.
Okay.
Just keep
It
it out
just
of
is-
your mind. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
a
matter
university is going to pay for it.
of, yeah, you have
Okay.
to just win the scholarship by they have an interview for you.
So, is there any website where we can apply and search that
Yeah, there
which is
there
you
is
know,
there is we
Can you please, tell my viewers?
yeah, of course, we can maybe upload the description in this video later. It is called University Italy website. It is an Italian government website, which we will add description later in the video.
Okay,
So
sure, definitely.
Everything
You
is
just check in the
yeah,
comment.
exactly. Everything is available, and you just come to Italy for doing either masters or PhD, and you.
Where
will
did
be
you
done.
complete your schooling?
I did schooling in India. Everything in India.
Everything in India, even the bachelor degree. So
Bachelor's
can you-
degree I did from Aligarh Muslim
Which part of India?
University.
Oh.
Aligarh Muslim University.
Aligarh
yes.
Muslim University is one of the famous university in India. It's a central university, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
of course it is, it
Central.
is. Yeah, yeah.
And where did you complete your schooling? Is
I did from
Aligarh?
Allahabad.
Allahabad.
Yeah.
See, Allahabad
ISC
se,
board.
and then
ISC.
IC. Oh, okay. And Allahabad se, then you migrated to the
Aligarh.
Aligarh and directly from Aligarh to Italy.
To Italy, yeah.
To Italy. That's great. It's a short video. I can say that within 6 to 7 minutes we try to wind up our conversation.
Yeah.
और आई होप कि अगर आप भी कुछ सवाल है तो समीन हमारे साथ कांटेक्ट में रहेंगे और समीन की जिम्मेदारी है जो लोग भी इंडिया से पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं पढ़ाई वालों के लिए हाँ?
Of course, of
सिर्फ
course.
पढ़ाई वालों के लिए जो ऐसे होते हैं कि नहीं बस जाना है देश घूम के आना है दूसरा उनके लिए नहीं सिर्फ पढ़ाई वालों के लिए अगर कोई हेल्प चाहिए तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में करें अपना कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आप करें और साथ ही आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं ईमेल नंबर भी हम लोग यहाँ पे ईमेल एड्रेस भी हम लोग यहाँ पे नीचे लिख देंगे आप कोई किसी तरह की अगर आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो समीन इज देयर ऑलवेज यू आर देयर टू हेल्प एवरीवन स्पेशली फॉर द एजुकेशनल
Education purposes, masters and even bachelors. You also have a scholarship if you want to do bachelors. You're welcome in Italy as well.
You came in 2019 right
I came in 2019 in Italy.
okay
yes.
it's almost 5 years
Yeah, it's more than 5. It's
more
about
than 5
going
years
to be 6 in August.
in August
Yes.
सो 6 साल के सफ़र में समीन ने बहुत कुछ बता दिया और अगर आप में से कोई करना चाहता है पढ़ाई तो
And
ज़रूर
in,
समीन से कांटेक्ट
one
करें
thing
और
I
यार
would-
रिसर्च करके आप खुद भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपके सामने
course.
आएगी बिकॉज हम रिसर्च नहीं करते वी डोंट डू लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड वी डोंट डू like finding ways to get out of look at state and they go abroad and study and do something and explore the world so ये सारी चीज़ें आपको समझने की ज़रूरत है I
And
think.
one thing good with the PhDs over here is that you can go for a 6-month period of mobility abroad. Like I came to England for
England, yeah.
doing
हम
my
लोग ने यहाँ पे
mobility.
मुलाकात हुई हम लोगों
Yes,
की
exactly.
So-
we planned a meetup here. So
Yeah.
we never met in India though.
yeah
So,
that's
yeah.
true जो कि हम लोग
we came
इंडिया
here.
में कभी नहीं मिले पर
कभी
मिले
नहीं
तो
मिले।
यहाँ आकर
यहाँ
मिले
आकर के मिले।
क्योंकि देश की मोहब्बत होती है ना
हाँ।
कह रहे हमारे देश के जानने वाले हैं चलो इंडिया से
Even though
मुलाकात
I-
करते हैं कुछ करते हैं यार
Even though I am in University of Bristol right now, but I came to Glasgow just to meet him.
हाँ that's great thank you so much for coming all the way और इसने पूरा खर्चा अपना उठाया मैंने कुछ नहीं उठाया
So this is everything unsponsored. Nothing is sponsored in this video. So
because abroad में कोई चीज it's so difficult seriously when you come out of your
This is just for
comfort zone then you will
information
realize the life
information purpose over here. So
It's
if
just
you
like-
want to come here, you should be focusing on your studies, and that's it.
ओके सो
And,
6-7 मिनट बोलते बोलते 10 मिनट होने वाला है वीडियो
Well,
का
it's fine.
It's fine.
not
I think
just,
चलो 10
we
मिनट
just
देख लेंगे
plan
लोग
to make some videos, and also I would say that don't run after agents. You just apply yourselves and come to Italy. That's
या
it.
ये बात मैं सवाल करने वाला ही था लेकिन मैं जहन से उतर गया था ये अच्छा तुमने बता दिया कि हजारों रुपए लाखों रुपए लोग वेस्ट कर
Exactly,
देते हैं एजेंसी
exactly.
में कि स्पॉन्सरशिप आप दिला दो या पढ़ाई के लिए कहीं पे एडमिशन करा दो आई थिंक आजकल की दुनिया ऐसे है कि लोग खुद रिसर्च करते हैं खुद अप्लाई करते हैं और
Exactly.
यूनिवर्सिटी और यहाँ पे जो यूरोपियन कंट्री है यहाँ पे सारे लोग आपका वेलकम करने के लिए तैयार हैं उनको तो बच्चे चाहिए
Yes.
और वो पढ़ाना चाहते हैं
No, if
और
you
कुछ पेड भी
if
है
you
तो
come
उसमें
and if you marry here with the citizens here, you are granted the citizenship directly.
ओके
Yeah, yeah.
It's your choice. It's depend
your
upon.
choice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's just
just
it's
came
just
as a
information,
comment.
piece of
You
information.
don't have to do that.
Okay.
But yeah, you're welcome if you are coming for studies. You are always welcome.
As you're talking in this accent, it was the same remain in this in India when you was talking like this, or it has changed now?
I don't know. I just picked it up. It's a bit of Italian accent, maybe.
I have seen like people come like when they come abroad, they like start talking in their accent.
Oh,
So it's good if you are learning some accent, and it's also
This
good,
is no
right?
accent. I actually learned Italian language. That is better.
Oh, Italian, you know? सो अगर गुड बाय बोलना है लोगों को तो क्या बोलोगे, कैसे बोलोगे?
Ciao, arrivederci.
चाओ अरिदबे
Arrivederci.
अरिवेदर्ची।
Arrivederci.
ओके, मेरा वही इंडिया है। नमस्ते भैया इंडिया, यही सबसे बेस्ट है और यही सबसे अच्छी चीज है कि इंडिया खुश रहे, इंडिया पढ़े, इंडिया आगे बढ़े। मकसद यही था वीडियो बनाने के लिए कि हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी।
Hindustani. And
जय
if you
हिंद, जय
want
भारत।
coffee and pizza, come to Italy. That's it.
वैसे तो इटली का पिज्जा वगैरह तो इंडिया में भी मिल जाता है,
हाँ,
ब्रांड
that is-
थोड़ा
that's
सा।
what it-
हाँ,
The
ओके,
original taste you'll get here.
हाँ, द ओरिजिनल टेस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स द ओरिजिन इज हियर, सो ओरिजिनल टेस्ट यू विल गेट हियर।
Yes.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच गाइज। इंशाल्लाह फिर हाजिर होऊंगा, लेकिन इंडिया पढ़ेगा तभी तो बढ़ेगा। थैंक यू सो मच गाइज।